I'm Walter Washington, owner of Washington AC and Heating, and today I will be doing a tool review by Toptes. I have did some tool reviews from Toptes in the past. This right here is actually a combustible gas leak detector, the PT-330. I have used this one in the past. This is a great leak detector here. This right here will test for your natural gas leaks, carbon monoxide. Every HVAC technician needs something like this in their tool pouch, or even any homeowner. This would be a good DIY tool to have to check for natural gas leak detector, CO2, and all that good stuff there. But without further ado, this will be one of the newest leak detectors that they sent me. They want me to do a tool review, so I will be doing a tool review today. Oh, that's not it. Give me 1 second here. Sorry, folks. I think it's this box right here. We'll be doing a tool review on that one here later. That is a thermal imaging camera there. I think this is the box right here. Oh, this is a blooper. I ain't gonna edit though. Strike two, folks. This is another thermal imaging camera right here. I'll be doing a tool review on that in a sec. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna find the box from Toptes. All right, folks. I think we on to something now. So this is the unboxing of the gas leak detector by Toptes. So I told them to send me some extra because I gotta watch out for my HVAC fam and all my subscribers that subscribe to the channel. I told them to send me some extra. So out of my pocket, I will be shipping at least 2 of these. So if anybody interested in these, leave a comment in the link below. Say I want that carbon monoxide leak detector by Toptes. Say I want that carbon monoxide detector. But also, if you're interested in purchasing one of these, I will leave links in the description below for discounts. So we will have discount code and the links in the description. But like I say, for the price of these right here, plus the discount that you're going to get, it's worth having one of these in your tool bag. You can put it in your car, your glove box. Just throw one in your tool bag, because for the size of it, it can fit in any size tool bag. Like I say, this the unboxing. This is my first reaction of this leak detector right here. So I may either take it in my house or take it in my garage and start one of the cars up and see how fast it detects carbon monoxide. But these are good to have around the house if you want to check it by your generator or something like that. That may be something I do. We'll see how fast it pick up on the generator. My generator has a built-in carbon monoxide leak detector on there. So if I'm too close to the house or too close to the fence, it'll shut it down. But we may use this and see how fast it'll alert for a generator. But without further ado though, like I say, just leaving a link, we'll leave in the comments if anybody interested in purchasing one. Well, leave in the comments Toptes CT-580. That's what we're gonna leave in the comment. Leave in the comment CT-580. If anybody want me to send them one of these carbon monoxide leak detector. Like I say, I don't have but 2. Well, actually, this is what we're gonna do. Like I say, I just pick a random winner. I don't have a raffle or anything like that, but I will pick 3 people. I'm gonna give all 3 of these away. Because I got one of the old ones. This old one right here works well. So, you know, it's the holidays, so I'm gonna give all 3 of these away. All right. I might say want to get to my family. Who knows? But this is the unboxing here. I'm gonna set the older model to the side. This is the CT-580. Comes with an instruction manual. Looks like it comes with a bunch of different languages. Right. Come with a nice case. Alright, let's see what's inside the case. I don't know. So this is my first natural action for the build quality. Build quality is good. Come with a rubber case. You know, if I'm gonna have a tube, folks, you know, I'm rough on my tubes. It gotta be durable. But nice rubber case. I don't know, this look good too. I might have to keep one of these and give two away. This feels pretty good here. Alright, I'm turning it on, just the power button here. See what the display look like and how fast it comes on. I'm gonna hold the power button. So it said hold power button. Got a nice welcome screen. Look like it take maybe 10 seconds to power up. Got a green light on. It's probably calibrated right now. Got a self-test. So I'm gonna say maybe about 45 seconds. So it says sensor is warming up. So the sensor is warming up now. Like I said, this is gonna be a quick review. I'm not gonna go through the manual and see how it works, anything like that. But right now I got parts per million. So 0 parts per million, so it calibrated to the outside air. Nice, beautiful display. It got 0 parts per million. So since I got my car right here, I'm just going to do a start up on the car, and I'm going to go back. In my last video, I think I did the car test with the field piece. So this time I'm going to crank up the generator. But I don't know if I got any gas in the generator. So we might just do a car test. So I got 0 parts per million. This is a carbon monoxide leak detector right here. Then the green showing that we got 0 parts per million here. So since I'm right out here at close to my garage, matter of fact, what I'll do is, since I'm by my truck, I'm gonna turn the truck on, and I got it exhaust in the back of my truck. I'll turn the truck on, and we'll see what the parts per million look like. Alright, so I just turned my truck on. Right now I'm still at 0 parts per million. I'm gonna get the camera, and we're gonna and look, it's already getting an alert. That exhaust right there, we breathing that stuff in, so you can already tell it got a great sensor. I'm not even close to the exhaust, and it already sensing that. I just turned the truck on. I'm at 42 because I just came closer to this camera right here, and I'm gonna go back right here, and it already alerted that. I'm at 15, so it's testing that carbon monoxide from this distance right here. I'm about to take the camera and go close to the exhaust pipe right there, but you can tell it got a good sensor on it. I'm gonna walk around here. Let's go by the exhaust. My exhaust is about right here. What does it do? Now, if I was enclosed, let's put it close by and see what it does. Go to the exhaust. You can see it going up. Close to the exhaust. 4. Let's go right by and see what it is. I can stick it in there. When I stick it in there, it goes fast. And we got an alert. Red alert. So when it senses a lot of CO2, it lights up red on the side also. Yeah, I think I might have to keep one of these for myself, folks, and get two away. I don't want to be an Indian giver. But that's nice right there. Got a nice little sensor on. Like I say, it's not going to be a long review. But my first impressions of this is a good carbon monoxide detector. Like I say, easy. Something you can just have right there in your tube pouch. Just grab it at any time, just for as far as emergency or something like that. Have it in your tube bag and just bring it out. You can hold it up to one of the supply diffusers. As you can see though, nice display screen, parts per million. I don't have any gas or anything like that in my generator, so I'm not going to do the generator test. But let's go over some specs. I'm sorry, that's the combustible gas leak detector, the PT-300. Let's go over some specs on the CT-580 carbon monoxide detector by Toptes. You got data storage. You got TFT LCD color display. You got power on, self-test. You got 0 to 1,000 parts per million detection. You got 3 types of alarms. You got a high and low alarm threshold. So you can put a threshold on there also. So if you want to do like 50 to 100. Pretty cool. I got the orange one. That's your carbon monoxide detector, CT-580 by Toptes. Alright, like I said, I did some reviews and I have used some of their products in the past. They make pretty good products. As you can see, this one has the date on there also. You can set the date. Some of the function. Oh, I got a flashlight on there also, folks. Turn that off. Go through some of the function. As you can see the screen. Alarm setting. Calibration. Alarm records. Failure records. Calibration records. As you can see, it took a record when it just went off. It looks like it do auto recordings. Like I say, so if anybody interested in the Toptes CT-580, links will be in the description below for additional discounts. This is very affordable carbon monoxide detector. You can throw in your tube bag, throw in your glove box. Great for DIYers. Be good for HVAC technicians as well, also plumbers or electricians and handyman. So links will be in the description below, but also I will be giving at least 2 of these away. I may give all 3 of them away. It is the holidays, so if anybody interested in it, just say I want that carbon monoxide leak detector by Toptes, and like I say, I will ship it out to you. So whenever I pick the winner, I will comment and say you're the winner. And I'll leave my email address, WashingtonCooling713@gmail.com. You can send me your shipping information. Alright, HVAC people, we out. This is the Toptes carbon monoxide leak detector.